Every day, most of us spend 8 to 10 hours in a desk chair. We all know it is not ideal. And yet there is something oddly satisfying about that slow slide down the seat, shoulders rounding, spine curving. It just feels like relief. Then the right side of the lower back starts to complain. We booked a massage. It helps for a few days. Then we are back in the same chair in the same position, feeling the same thing. The cycle keeps repeating until one day the massage is no longer enough, and we realize something deeper needs fixing. That something is happening inside your muscles every single hour you sit, and most of it is invisible until it is not. After a few hours of sitting, your legs start to feel heavy, almost like a cramp is building. By mid-afternoon, the mental sludge sets in. You are not able to focus or to string a clear thought together. Before you wrap up the day, you feel bloated and sluggish like your body has stalled. The reason is an enzyme called lipoprotein lipase, or LPL in your nose. LPL is what pulls fat from your bloodstream into your muscles to be burned as fuel. The moment you stop moving, your body suppresses it. After a few hours of sitting, LPL levels can drop by up to 90%. The fat stays in your blood unprocessed. Your muscles are not getting fuel. Your brain is not getting clean energy. Your body is essentially idling in traffic, going nowhere. That is not normal tiredness. That is what stillness does to your biology. Sitting also folds your body into a position it was never designed to hold for hours. Your hip flexors, the muscles that bend you at the waist, stay shortened and tight all day. At the same time, your glutes, your body's most powerful muscle group, simply switch off. The brain stops sending signals to them because they are not needed in a seated position. The effect builds up across the day. Each time you sit back down, the pattern deepens. By the time you leave the office, your glutes have spent most of the day doing nothing. That is why the walk to the car or the train feels heavier than it should. Remember that satisfying slide down the chair we talked about earlier? It feels good as if we are on a beach lounge chair, shoulders rounding, spine curving, chest closing in. When your chest closes in, it cannot expand fully. Your breathing becomes shallow without you noticing. Less oxygen in, less fuel reaching your brain. Now multiply that across a full workday. Then factor in the evening on the sofa watching television. Same position, same shallow breathing. Do that 300 days a year, and the cumulative effect on your energy, focus, and posture is significant. This is not about one bad day at your desk. It is about a pattern your body is quietly absorbing every single day. You may say, I just feel a bit heavy-legged, a little mental sludge. However, over time, day in, day out, year after year, the damage goes deeper. Your ligaments thicken, your spinal discs slowly dehydrate. That comfortable slide down the chair starts to become your permanent posture. You may even look shorter. We believe this simple and yet effective approach can alleviate your discomfort at the end of the day and potentially prevent damage in the years to come. Research shows that 2 minutes of movement every 30 to 60 minutes is enough to reactivate your LPL enzymes, reset your postural muscles, and interrupt the pattern before it compounds. 10 squats at your desk, a chest stretch in the doorway, standing up for a phone call, small, consistent signals that remind your body it is still an active organism. Every time you stand up, stretch, or do 10 squats, you are sending a signal that overrides the stillness. If you want a simple starting point, we have a full video on the squat snack method linked above in the description. Train smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.